If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Let's make pinaputok na tilapia or stuffed tilapia. Here are the ingredients: whole tilapia, red or yellow onions, but I'm using both on this one, tomatoes, Serrano peppers, or you can also use jalapeno, coconut milk or coconut cream, and fresh banana leaves for wrapping our tilapia. Alright, let's start with our stuffing. In a big bowl, mix your onions, your tomatoes, and Serrano peppers. We're gonna season this with just salt and pepper. It's easy, it's like making salsa. Let's score the skin of our tilapia. We're gonna season this with just salt and pepper. I wanted to show you how to clean this tilapia, but it's already been cleaned at the supermarket. One of the perks of shopping at an Asian grocery store, they will clean and cut all the fish you want for free. Did I tell you I used to work at a Filipino grocery when I was a teenager? Cleaning fish was one of my duties. It wasn't fun, but it gave me good experience. Now we can add the filling. Just fill up the inside of the fish. And then we're gonna add some coconut cream. Now, if you've seen a lot of videos on how to make this, I'm probably the only one who adds chili peppers and coconut cream to this dish. I learned this from my mother-in-law. My wife's family's from Bicol. They add coconut milk and hot peppers to most of their dishes. Let's wrap this with our banana leaf. There's really no special way to wrap it. Some just roll this like lumpia, but this is how I wrap my fish. I also use the banana leaf to make strings. It doesn't have to be tight, it just needs to hold the wrap so it doesn't open when we fry it. Alright, now we can fry this fish. You don't really need this much oil. I went crazy with the cooking oil here. But by using this much oil, I didn't need to cover the fish. It's for sure gonna be cooked all the way around just fine. Depending on the size of your fish, it really only takes 10 minutes of frying on each side. This is actually the smallest I could find. Our tilapia here in California are just huge. 2 to 3 times bigger than the tilapia in the Philippines. Are you ready to see how it turned out? I can't wait either. Wait till you see this. Look at that. Look at that. It's still smoking. This looks awesome. I can't wait to eat this. You want some? Our stuffed tilapia or pinaputok na tilapia. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you again next time, alright?